Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar a new chapter, chapter 7. Action words are verbs. Action words are verbs. Now we will look what are action words. Action words are the words that describe action. Action verbs are words that describe action. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs or action words. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. They are also known as action words or doing words. Right? Something does are called verbs or action verbs or action words. Now we will see what action. Action means now you are walking, you are eating, writing, all those actions which you are doing are called action words. For example, walk. Here we will see the example W-A-L-K, walk. Walk, we are showing that we are walking in the garden or we are walking in the market, right? So I walk in the garden, I walk in the house. So it is the action which shows you what you are doing. Sound of a birds, they hum, or the sound of a vehicles, running you do na, here and there in the house you run, or otherwise when there is a sports activity in the school you have a race to run, so you do that activity, that is run. Laugh, jump, to jump from here and there, the action, the jumping we do, the teacher tells show the action of jump, so you jump and you show. Talk, when we talk to someone, we talk with our friends in the school, in the recess. Eat, we eat with our hands, right? So that is also an action that we are eating just now. Drink, we drink milk, water. Cry, if we get hurt or our pencil or eraser has been lost, so we cry for that. Sing, Maina sings so sweetly, right? So sing is also one type of an action. Cook, our mother cooks food in the kitchen. Write, we write with a good handwriting in our notebook. Sleep, we go to sleep in the night. When it is night time, we go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Go means to go somewhere. Come, you are coming from school, or you are coming from coming from school, you are coming from, you after playing in the garden. Sit, you are sitting for a while. Read, you are reading a book. Speak means to talk. So all these are what? All these are called action which shows you walk, sound, run, laugh, jump, talk, eat, drink, cry, sing, cook, write, sleep, go, come, sit, read, speak. ये सब जो है वो हम क्या कहते हैं, उसे एक्शन वर्ड्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? एक्शन वर्ड्स कहते हैं. ये सब चीज़ें हमें बताते हैं और हम करते हैं. इससे हमें पता चलता है हमारे एक्शंस, हमारे मूवमेंट्स. वर्ड्स दैट टेल्स अस व्हाट समवन और समथिंग डज आर कॉल्ड वर्ब्स और एक्शन वर्ड्स, राइट. एक्शन वर्ड्स जो हमें, हमारे वर्ब्स जो हमें बताते हैं कि हम कुछ अभी कर रहे हैं. समवन और समथिंग, वी आर डूइंग सम टाइप ऑफ एक्शन. So these are called action words. So once again we will read. Action words are the words that describe action. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs or action words. Example: walk, sound, run, laugh, jump, talk, eat, drink, cry, sing, cook, write, sleep, go, come, sit, read, speak. All these are called action words. What are they called? They are called action words. We will learn few more about action words in the next session. So dear children, complete this exercise in your grammar notebook. Thank you.